Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this really cool kids microscope. Now you can actually use this for checking out bugs outside or just looking at different money, because this thing can actually zoom in 4 times to be able to see all of the different things. And you've got a 2-inch display on your screen. So you turn it on and it comes right on. It is charged with just your USB-C cable here. And I love the light on here. And as you can see on here, you can actually see all of the details. You can focus it just right here on the side. You've got your focus. Then if you wanted to see things like your money up close and be able to get little details, you can see everything, get it zoomed right in. You can also take pictures. You just have to get a memory card, which is not included in there. But if you don't want the light, turn off the light. Once you have all your pictures, you can actually just see everything right through there. So that is really nice. And you do have these extra things that if you did have a plate of something, like you had a smear of some liquid or something, you could actually slide in right there and be able to see it all right up close. So that is a nice little attachment. You can also attach this onto the top of a tripod. And you do have these little things that you can slip on and be able to wear this around your neck so you can carry it around while you're out doing all your research. So this would make a great gift for any little kid that enjoys science or just going out to explore.